I know that for many content creators, our time and our resources are stretched to the limit, and very often we don't invest enough time in repurposing our content. But my biggest argument why you should be repurposing your content is because you've already done the work. You've already written the content. So take that blog post and turn it into a video, turn it into a podcast, and then reshare it all through an email marketing campaign. You've already created all of the visuals. Reuse all those visuals in an infographic or a video, or maybe even a GIF. Let's get ambitious. You've already done so much of the research. You've done your homework, so you already know what you are talking about. Leverage that research to create new content. Why don't you consider creating ebooks, white papers, webinars, and then think bigger. Think about establishing yourself as a thought leader. Go big.